And they're off. Beland out to a flying start. Killing Me is showing good speed. Star Production hustled with Canadian Production just inside that. Here's Kush up the rail, and Blazing Bandit also fast on the scene. It's Star Production out to a short lead from Canadian Production. Killing Me tight at the rail. Blazing Bandit is fourth past the half-mile pole. Kush is fifth. My Old Man Sam sixth. Beland broke sharp, but now seventh. Then the favorite Mr. Porter eighth as they enter the far turn. Toward the inside, Silent Pipe is next from Mean Butterbean, and Leesville is dropped back to last. The first quarter robust 22 1/5 seconds coming toward the quarter pole, where Star Production looms in front of Canadian Production with a couple of furlongs to go. Blazing Bandit on the far outside. Kush has been angled out for a clear run, and Kush is coming into the final furlong and a half. Kush now strikes the front from Star Production, Canadian Production. My Old Man Sam, black colors made a split, and Mr. Porter's charging on the outside. But Kush got the charmed run under John Jacinto. It's Kush in front, close to the finish for Mr. Porter. Kush and Mr. Porter, Kush! Kush by a half length to Mr. Porter's late bid. My Old Man Sam third. Silent Pipe ran on to finish fourth. Belend was fifth.